Hey guys, it's Beltrami from Roswell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 1026A West 16th Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1.5 bath. It's 1,972 square feet. It was built in 2006, and they're asking $359,000. Hey guys, this home has no HOA. How many ones that can you find like this in the Heights? It's a single-family home, no attached walls, and this home is being brought to you by John Cabarello from Keller Williams, and let's check out this house. You come in and you're on the first floor. You have your living room and your dining room space. You have great built-ins here around the fireplace. You have your dining room, or if you would like, you can make it into additional living room. Lots of light, bright, just a great space. Then you come into your kitchen, you have a breakfast area, and then you have a large kitchen, gas cooktop, granite countertops, and the dark wood cabinets. Just a wonderful space for your kitchen. Then you come down the hallway past the half bath, and then you'll be going upstairs to all the bedrooms. You come up to the top of the stairs, you have your laundry room. Then to the left, you have your master bedroom, carpet, tray ceilings, bright windows, and then you have a large master bathroom, double sink, soaker tub, and then you have this huge closet here off of the bathroom, and then of course your own private balcony space. Then you have the second bedroom, again carpeting in the bedroom. You have nice high ceilings, and then you have a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects you to the third bedroom with a tub shower combo, and then you have the nice third bedroom here as well, carpet, and the high ceilings. So hey guys, isn't this home beautiful? You need to come check it out this Saturday during John's open house. He's going to be here Saturday from 1 to 3. If you'd like to see this home or any other additional homes, don't hesitate to give me a call. My information is at the end of this video. Don't forget to check out the interactive map below to look at this open house or any other additional open houses in the Heights or the surrounding area. And I look forward to seeing you next week during the Showcase Home of the Week.